Right, this is where it could all go wrong, but anyway. So what I've got kicking around is one of these, what they call dog bones, for fastening worktops together. So I'm going to use that as the perch. If I can get this right. I'm going to use one of them on the inside. Should I use one on the outside as well? See how it goes. That might look alright actually, one of them on the outside as well. Right. The trick is now getting my finger, my thumb in there. Right, so that's what I've got inside. Just going to tighten that up. Right, that seems solid enough. I'm just going to cut the excess off there. Right, it did cross my mind to cut the top off so that I could fill it, but then I thought, well, no, because rain's going to get in there anyway, and I don't want that. So what I thought was, I could just fill it up from here every time I want to, you know, reseed it. I'll just take it down, turn it on its side like that, or possibly upside down, fill it there, and then turn it back up again, and then no rain gets in here. And for hanging it up, what I'm thinking is, I've not got a screw that'll fit that, but what I thought was, if I can get one of these in from the inside to come out of the top there, I can just screw a nut on that, because I've got plenty that'll go on that, and that'll do the thing. So if I drop this inside now, it should be easy enough to get the other end to come out of that. Then it's one solid piece and no rain's getting in. So that's what I'm going to attempt to do now. But once I've let this go, right, that's it. So that, if I'm gentle enough, will that just come straight out of the bottom? There we go. Perfect. And then I can put another one on top, put a nut on top of that, and then I've got my hooks for hanging it up. Bloody hell, these worms look good enough to eat. Can you eat them? I don't know. What harm can they do? They're not bad. Right, here we go. Hope this works. That's bang on, is that? That is bang on. That's just what I wanted. Remember the wind chimes that I made last year? They certainly stood the test of time, and they're certainly loud enough. Right, I'm just going to hang up there under these steps. Hope the wind chime doesn't frighten them off. I'm sure they'll be fine. The reason I'm thinking it's squirrel proof is I don't think they can get to it from underneath. They could possibly come down there, but what they're going to grip onto on there? They're going to slide off there surely. And I would have thought, and the nose is going to be too big to get in there. I don't know. We'll see anyway. But it's what I've come up with for now, so it's what we're going to go with. Right, thanks for watching. I'll see you again. Bye.